So as the days go on, Nvidia stock just keeps on getting worse and worse, kind of like my barrel right here, guys. You see this big old stomach, big old barrel here? Yeah, it's been getting worse and worse as vacation has been going on with all the food I've been eating here, all the freaking drinks. I don't even like drinking like that, but hey, I've been drinking freaking sugary drinks here, a little alcohol, a little soda, a little this, little that, which has to stop. But yeah, it's been getting worse and worse down here. Same with Nvidia stock, right? Which just seems like it can't catch a freaking break. We have to break down the charts in this video, go over my thoughts, what I'm looking to do. So guys, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and do not forget to get up to 15 stocks for Moo. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm choking on my words now. With at least a $100 deposit, use that link down below or go to StockSurfS.com/Moo, and your uninvested cash right now will earn up to 8.1% APY. Guys, it's a no-brainer. So again, StockSurfS.com/Moo or use that link down below, and let's dive right into the video. So at this point, you guys know the markets are not looking good at all, and it's about noon on the East Coast right now, even though I'm in Greece right now, so I guess it's not noon on the East Coast. It's actually about 7 p.m. here, but either way, East Coast time, it's noon right now. We're pretty much smack dab in the middle of the trading day, and Nvidia stock is down over 7 freaking percent as the entire stock market is selling off. We have the S&P down 1.4%, Dow's down 1.1%, Nasdaq's down 2.2%, same with the Russell, and the VIX is up 16%. You heard that right, 16% on the VIX right now, which is nuts. And Nvidia is holding above $110 per share by a thread. You guys can see that right here on this chart. And we're obviously selling off like crazy. We closed at $120 on Friday. Monday, we didn't have trading. You guys know that the markets were closed. And now we hit $110 as of now. But earlier, we hit $109.40. That was the low. So we dumped down about 8.5% at one point, and we have a death cross on the intraday chart. The 5-day chart, we're at a fresh low. Obviously, we're under the moving averages, a death cross on this time frame as well. And on the 10-day chart, same thing, death cross, fresh low. And this is after the company, I'm sure you guys know at this point, reported very strong earnings, EPS, revenue, guidance beat, the whole 9 yards, right? The company's still growing very nicely, obviously, which to me, whenever a stock falls like this, 15 to 20% in a couple of days after strong earnings, that is a buying opportunity, right? So I'm actually looking to buy more Nvidia today. I actually have not done it yet, but I'm going to pull the trigger on it probably after this video because, again, man, when I see a stock, strong company, report very good numbers, guidance is there, and the stock just tanks, I'm like, all right, I'm going to just buy more. And Nvidia is a newer position for me anyway, right? I was buying it in the 90s, low hundreds when it dumped last go around, and now we're getting that opportunity again, it seems like, right? Which for me, this is what I'm doing. I'm not telling you guys what to do. This is just for me, so please do your own research, guys. But yeah, Nvidia is looking pretty good for more buying, in my opinion. And yeah, I mean, if it gets back to the back to the 90s, I might need some freaking water, guys. Don't have it on me, which sucks. Either way, if it gets back to the 90s, that's where I'm looking to add even more. I might even double down on the position at that point. I might even double down, right? So on this 20-day chart, you guys noticed a death cross as well. We're under the moving averages, which I'm not loving in the very short term, but again, it's a long-term position, so all it's really signaling is more, buying opportunities coming if it does end up going even lower. And on this 20 or this 4-hour chart, you guys can see, if I extend this or zoom in on this rather, we can see how we're kind of still trading in this channel, right? We're obviously making very obvious lower highs. We got one right here at 141, got another one right here at 137, got another one right here at about $130. So we're making these obvious lower highs, at the top of this resistance, and now we're starting to dump down. So to be honest, guys, we're already oversold. Yes, it could go a lot lower. Who knows? The markets are unpredictable, but I don't really see Nvidia going much lower than $100 on this sell-off, really. I really don't. Maybe it gets down to the bottom of this channel, which is right around $100, but it's already oversold. That's the thing. It's already oversold. So if it gets that oversold down to 100, 102, 105, wherever it gets, that would be ridiculous. I think that would get bought up like that, and we could see another situation where we recover drastically like what we saw heading into those earnings, right? You guys can see Nvidia was at $90. Excuse me, guys. Heading into earnings, and we got all the way to 130. We had a crazy rally on the stock. We're talking about a 40% rally, which looking back, I mean, that might have been way too much in a short amount of time. Let's be honest. That might have been way too much in a short amount of time. But yeah, this is what we're looking like. We're selling off, and I'm looking to buy even more, add more to my position. That's at least what I'm looking to do. Now, I'm very curious to see what you guys are looking to do. Let me know in the comments down below, please, and make sure to run the likes up. Let's try and get at least 200 likes on this video. Make sure to subscribe here on YouTube as well. We're trying to get the 50,000 subs this year, and it's not possible without you guys. I appreciate you all for tuning in. And yeah, I mean, at this point, I'm not shook at all. I don't really care in terms of what's going on because I know what Nvidia is. I know the numbers were strong, and I know where we're headed, guys. This is just a very small sell-off, a blip in the road, and in the grand scheme of things, when in doubt, zoom out, right? On this 4-hour chart, we're still up a lot from the lows, which we hit $47 back in the beginning of this year. We're still up over 100% from that point, guys, and of course, the more you zoom out, again, when in doubt, zoom out. The more you zoom out, the better and better Nvidia stock looks. And the more you realize, oh my goodness, man, this stock has gone up like crazy, right? We were at $10 per share. This is after the split, but we hit $10 in October of 2022. And look at this max chart. I mean, this stock has made a lot of people money. And I don't think that's necessarily going to change right now. Could it change at some point in the future? Sure. Anything is possible. You never know. But for now, I think this is just kind of a sideways trading period. I mean, it has been ever since we hit all-time highs in the middle of June. We hit 140, 141. So for me, guys, it's a buying opportunity, and it's only a matter of time before we do start recovering, and recovering quite drastically. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And before you click off the video, do not forget to get up to 15 stocks for Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo, and your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. And guys, the deal's running out, the clock's ticking, so use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo, and I'll catch you in the next video.